So Obi alluded to the fact that this government has run this country into more debt. And it says this government has borrowed more than Jonathan, Yaradua, and Buhari put together. The facts to show that, just for a moment, is that this government, in the last 1 year or more, we've seen that our both domestic and external debt had grown to about 121 trillion naira. That's way over 90 billion US dollars, and is gone over 20%, about 24% from Q4 of 2023 to Q4 of 2024 or Q1 of 2024, and that's about 24% increase in our debt profile, and that is the inference Mr. Peter Obi made.
And it's false, because some of his people went and asked Grok, Grok, that artificial intelligence assistant. And this is what Grok said. Peter Obi's claim that Tinubu borrowed more than Yaradua, Jonathan, and Buhari combined is a distortion. In Naira terms, debt rose from 46 trillion in 2023 to 149 due to Naira devaluation, not new loans. US dollar debt actually fell from $130 billion to 97, a net repayment. Previously, claims added to 97 of 94 billion combined in real terms. So Grok came out with facts to disprove the falsehood of Peter Obi that it is not devaluation that accounted to that amount he's mentioning as debt, and it is not debt. Peter Obi does not have knowledge of statistics now. There is no fact he reels out that, when it is verified, has not come out as false. There is not a single one. And he knows that it's falsehood, but he's happy to just throw it because he has an army of people called the obedient who normally don't use their brains in interpreting whatever he says, but they take hook, line, and sinker and run to the market with it. Throughout today, I've been on social media, for the times that I've had. They have been asking Grok questions, and Grok has been fact-checking and giving them what they were not prepared for. The summary of everything Grok has been saying today is that Peter Obi has not been given the facts as they are in his allegation. The only thing Grok said that is a bit fair to him, he says that Peter Obi is somebody that is respectable. But the facts on ground don't support that. This is the point. But he's not even going to be the presidential candidate. The reason I'm out today is just to debunk that. He's not even our focus. He's not even going to be the vice president. I mean, director general of their next campaign. We will now be wasting our time and be responding to him. He has deceived the obedient because their contract with him is that he's going to be the president, and now has been reduced first to second fiddle and now to the position of director general to lead the campaign that in 2031 he will be made president. So Nigerian people will know the days of sentiment that he used in 2023, religious sentiment, is over. If you have noticed the thought that Peter Obi deceived, they are not with Peter Obi at the moment. Their eyes are open. Secondly, the youth that Peter Obi claimed to have represented, Peter Obi has never identified with the youth. But the third and the most important thing, because what is the most important is that anybody who wants to wrest power from an incumbent government should come with alternative facts, come with alternative policy. That is the only thing that matters. But this coalition have not been able to come up with any policy that is alternative. Everything they say they want to do, we're already doing it. So why fix it when it is not bad?